I'm gonna do one more update check before I call it a night. So far, here's all the babies that are been at least 2 weeks old now. That one's at least 3 weeks now. No, 2 weeks. And the rest, I think, a little over a week. But yeah. So everyone's just sitting back, relaxing, getting ready for bedtime, huh? Ready for bedtime. And the brown one's ready for bed. Their babies underneath her. And look at all the new babies. So far, last I counted was 5, but then I saw a 6th one coming out. Is she born yet? Look, there's a new one. Okay, I'm sorry. There's 2 in the back there. Say hi. Oh, look at this one. Look at this baby, huh? Look at this baby. Oh, so cute. Hello. Welcome to my farm. There you go. What this one? Oh, look at this one. Oh, that there. Look at this baby. Look at this one. Say hi. Say hi to the world. Say hello. Alright. There you go. So, another one has hatched. That makes 6. You're the big winner. You're the big one. Okay. I'll leave you alone. Good night. Good night, little babies. Good night, babies. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. Look at that. He's the oldest one. Brave little guy. I've gone in the coop. A couple of them are still up. No, there's no more snacks. There's no more snacks, okay? There are no more snacks. Peacock's still around. He came back. He was gone for a couple of days. I let the fence down so they could have at the grass. It's been 2 days. Not all the way down. Like, I left it all the way down today, but first day I put it down for a couple hours and put it back up because I thought they were going to destroy it all. But it's holding up. Oh, look. The roosters were fighting. But I'll put it back up tonight, and tomorrow I'll let the grass rest and, kind of get that bounce back in their leaves, because it's been matted down. Oh, my garden's going along. My potatoes are getting tall. Look, my strawberries are coming in. Look at that strawberry. Woo. And I've got runners popping out everywhere. So that just means more strawberries. Some people snip the runners, but I like to let them go because I want this whole thing to be strawberries next year. Look at all the runners right here. That just means they're just going to produce more. I'm just probably going to have to extend this bed a little further by the end of the season. And hopefully I get another whole section of strawberries. All my arugula bolted. My lettuce is starting to bolt. Potatoes are almost time for harvest. My beans are doing well. Not as bushy as I hope, but I might have enough for, a nice dinner. As I think only my wife and I will eat it. And look at my cucumbers are climbing up my trellis that I put in. That's good. Oh, this one doesn't look too healthy. Got the curly leaves. Let's see if it continues. Cut it off and let that make new ones. Yep, my peas are dying. I wasn't very successful with my peas this year. Even though I'm getting, you know, 1 or 2 peas here and there. They are absolutely delicious. But my bell peppers are growing nicely. Never been able to grow bell peppers successfully. But this is not bell pepper. This is, what is that? Poblano. Oops. I wasn't supposed to plant that here. These were all supposed to be the non-spicy peppers. Oop, hopefully I don't get spicy bell pepper. Oh look, my very first banana peppers. Now this is my absolute favorite right here. This is my gardening snack. This is what I eat when I'm gardening. That one is not doing too good. Not very healthy. But this one's finally starting to kick in and grow. Oh, that's delicious. My tomatoes are doing nice. Came in yesterday and took all the suckers off. Pretty sure I missed a few because you always do. You always miss a few suckers. Look at that, like right there. Look, that one, right there. Boop. But they're coming in nicely. I might have been wrong about this plant this whole time. I thought they were blackberries, but I'm thinking these are going to be raspberries. I think these are raspberries. Yeah. I think those are going to be raspberries, not blackberries. We'll see. But they're starting to ripen up. I ordered some bird nest covers, but the way Amazon's shipping right now, I'm not going to get it for another 2 weeks. I'm hoping I can keep all the birds off of this. Ooh, look at that. Get off, bug. Yucky. What is that? Yeah, I'm hoping I can keep the bugs off and, not the bugs, the birds off of this, because birds will come in and just pick it all clean. So yeah, that's my, I think it's raspberry, yeah. Lock it up, close it up, go to bed. That was my mama bird, but she gave up on being a mama. So I put her back in here. Oh look, my nectarine tree is growing real nicely. Hope the geese, I'm hoping the geese don't figure out they could reach in and nibble it down like they did the first time. Well, I guess I'll give them another 20 minutes. Get them salad on. Get them salads. And go to bed. I just want to rest for the day. Go to bed. Well, that was a little night tour of my place. I was supposed to put the chickens away, but obviously they're staying up. So, but this is my little night tour film. Sprung Little Country Homestead. Thank you for watching. See you later.